Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking septic tanks, and if you are curious how many caps you have on your septic tank or tanks, we're going to show you how to figure that out. Let's take a look.
Alright, DIYers, on the computer now, and go to your county website. In most cases it will be the countyname.org, and once you get to the main website, go all the way to the left, and if yours is like ours, scroll all the way down to where you see search septic and sewer. Go ahead and click on that, and then this page is going to come up, and as you can see, English, search type, all inspections, and then street number. Go ahead and enter in just your street number, nothing else, not your street name, not your owner's last name, not your jurisdiction, not parcel ID, nothing, only your street number. And this is going to pull up all of your permits. So again, enter the street number right here, scroll all the way down and select that search icon. And here we are, DIYers. When I selected mine, this is all public records, so anyone can view this. And as you can see, this entire document was scanned into the computer by the county website and will always be available to you. So taking into consideration the position of the house, down here on the south side of the home, you can see septic tanks, and you can see 2 squares. That means there are 2 septic tanks, not just one. And then you've got the plumbing that feeds all the way out to the drain field. And within this same document, there is so much helpful information on your home and all the permits dating back to basically when your home was built. And that's why entering just the street number and not any additional information such as your last name, it will allow you to pull up every permit pulled for your home and property. Now there is a second document I want to show you here, and I'll go to that right now. Alright, here's the second document I want to show you. Again, this is a 13-page document, and it contains a lot of great helpful information. As you can see, driveway, garage, house, and it's got measurements off the house. 15 feet are septic tanks, and again 2 squares, that indicates 2 tanks. In addition, measurements for the drain field. Let's go to a third document real quick. And here's the third document. Again, helpful information for you as the homeowner. So we recommend going through every single document within your county website pertaining to septic and sewer, and really educate yourself on how your system is set up, where it is on your property, how many tanks you have, as well as how many caps are on each tank. And again, all of that information can be found by obtaining your TOS documents, also known as time of sale, and sewer documents. And by doing the proper planning and becoming familiar with your property setup, you will definitely decrease the amount of time you spend digging into your ground when trying to locate your septic tank caps. And if you do it right, you can take these measurements that the county website provides you, and you can go right outside with a tape measure and apply those same measurements to your property and pinpoint the exact location of your tanks as well as the caps specifically. Again, when it comes time to dig those caps up, you want to minimize the amount of digging. So apply those measurements, grab that shovel, and start digging directly above your caps that are mapped out for you in these drawings. And with that said, from here, let's go outside and we'll take a closer look at the project we have underway.
Alright YouTubers, I'm outside, and the 3 tools I used was a rake, the probe, and the shovel. The single most beneficial and important tool during this project is that probe. Properly probing your ground and locating your tanks will save you a lot of digging. So after a lot of research and preparation on how to pinpoint my exact tanks and where the caps are, let's hop over here, and you will notice I've got 2 tanks. One is a 1,500 gallon tank and the other is a 1,000 gallon tank. Our 1,500 gallon tank has 3 caps. And as you can see here, our caps are circular in shape. In the event that you have septic tanks that are 30 to 40, maybe 50 years old, chances are you will have square caps. However, the newer style and modernized tanks will have the circle caps. And in our case, with a 1,500 gallon tank, we have 3 caps again. One is the inlet, one is the outlet, and in the middle, we have a cap for our baffle, which I always recommend digging up so the company that comes out and sumps out your tanks can open that cap and gain access to your baffle and inspect it. In the event that it is in bad condition, definitely replace it. The last thing you want is a bad baffle. Coming over to the third cap, no different from the other 2, and there will always be a gap in between tanks. And again, our 1,000 gallon tank only has 1 cap, as you can see here. Now take a look at the digging. I didn't dig anywhere other than just above the caps because I did my research and I got the right tools in place to dig these caps out. It is very important to do your research and purchase the right tools. And what I'll do is, scrolling above is a link to a playlist that has a lot of videos on our septic system projects, which includes that probe tool. Trust me, I'm telling you YouTubers, that is an awesome tool. And within minutes after doing our research, we then took that probe and we started probing the soil, and then we mapped out each tank and marked it with rocks. And after that, did our measurements and pinpointed the caps. And in our case, again, 2 tanks, one 1,000 gallon tank, which only has 1 cap, and one 1,500 gallon tank, which has 3 caps. So hopefully this helps YouTubers. Again, doing your research and planning is imperative. From here, do us a favor below the video. You'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.